Before we get into the question period, I'd like to do a case study or share a case study. I was approached by a realtor who's online right now and has agreed to, discuss how we helped his client, Marty Schaap. I'm going to let Marty talk. Hold on. Marty, are you there? So Marty referred me one of his clients. He was planning on listing their home, and one of his clients became ill and ended up in the hospital. They got behind on their payments, and they got a 60-day notice from their bank prior to listing the house. So Marty contacted me, and obviously the clients were extremely distraught because they were about to be foreclosed on. And we were able to use the reverse mortgage to sort of put a band-aid and keep them in their house until they have time to declutter, get the house ready for listing. So obviously it was a stressful situation for them, and they're actually notarizing today, and then they'll be able to list in the next few months once they've gotten the house ready for listing.
We actually signed this morning, Eric.
Oh, we did? Okay, great. Hey, Marty.
Hey.
Are you open to chatting about it and letting the
Yeah, of
rest
course,
of
for
there's
sure.
no
For sure.
so go ahead.
Well, as you mentioned, we had it was a difficult situation. I think it still is going to be a difficult situation in that difference of opinion between Mr. and Mrs. As far as staying in the home, and that's going to be our next challenge. We're going to work on in the next few months. But this definitely put that band-aid, as you mentioned, to let them take the next step, breathe a little bit, and then get the home ready to sell without being foreclosed on, because that was imminent, literally in the next few days. So
Yeah.
thankfully that process has stopped.
Yeah, so thank you for sharing that with me, Marty. It was actually really rewarding being able to help the elderly couple. They were getting no help from their bank. It's actually
Or
disturbing.
children.
It was actually really disturbing how the bank had a lack of empathy, and no one was trying to help them at all, and thank God for you, because you jumped in and saved the day for them. So thank you. It was a nice transaction.
It was actually your magic, Eric, that saved the day, and so I'm the one to thank you. And although they don't quite understand it, they will see one day how indebted to you and equitable they are and will be.
They were about to lose, I think, $300,000 of equity in the property.
In days from now.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was stressful.